Welcome everyone! We are here with a thrilling video. We want to jump into the cyber world where hackers wear hoodies and cybersecurity experts brandish their digital swords. What do you think the latest trends in cybersecurity are? If you thought the world of cybersecurity was all about boring firewalls and endless updates, think again. So grab your popcorn and let's dive into the latest trends in this wild, chaotic cybersecurity world. 1. Zero trust. Once upon a time, in a simpler era of cybersecurity, there was trust. Those days are long gone. Enter zero trust, the cybersecurity equivalent of a skeptic parent. Imagine you want to enter a nightclub and a bouncer is checking IDs and suspiciously eyeing everyone. This is what's happening. Now every device and user must prove they're not up to no good at every single interaction. Your printer has to justify why it wants to print that innocent document, and your coffee machine needs a hall pass to connect to the Wi-Fi. 2. Ransomware. Why rob a bank when you can demand a ransom in Bitcoin by hacking the data? Ransomware has become the cybercriminal's crime of choice. They're just like kidnappers, but a digital version of them, locking up your files and asking for money to give them back. This is the company's biggest fear. They are scared of receiving an email with the subject line, "Oops, your files are gone." It's a high-stake game where the ransom demands are growing and the payment methods are getting weirder. 3. Phishing. Phishing could fool even the most vigilant of users. Think of it as the cyber world's version of catfishing. You get an email from your boss, or so you think, asking for sensitive information. Turns out it's not your boss, but some random hacker in their basement laughing maniacally while you're sending your company's secrets. We still have the good part. So before getting into it, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks! 4. AI and machine learning. Now it is time to meet the superheroes of cybersecurity, AI and machine learning. They predict attacks, identify anomalies, and generally make life harder for the bad guys. Just like what Sherlock Holmes can do, but in a robotic version. It tirelessly analyzes data patterns. Of course, if AI gets too smart, you can see its flip side, leading to a future where your fridge starts judging your dietary choices. But for now, they let us feel safe. 5. The Password Predicament. Let's not forget the eternal struggle with passwords. In a perfect world, we should all use complex, unique passwords for every account. But in reality, people still use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and password like no one can ever guess what is going on in their brains. Cybersecurity experts discuss having more complicated passwords, but old habits die hard. It's the cybersecurity equivalent of sleeping on a banana peel. 6. The human factor. Finally, there's the human element. You can have the most advanced security systems in place, but if you click on a suspicious link, it's game over. Cybersecurity training has become a necessity, with experts trying to drill into employees the importance of not falling for obvious scams, just like teaching your grandparents how to use Snapchat. As we navigate the digital landscape, remember to stay vigilant and keep your passwords strong. Thank you for your attention. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel if you want to know more about thrilling subjects of technology. Take care and watch out, hackers are not far away.